Study abroad scholarships for Black students. Imagine studying in Paris, Tokyo, London, or Cape Town without going into debt. For Black students, the chance to study abroad isn't just about earning a degree, it's about building global perspective, confidence, and lifelong networks. But let's be real, financial barriers, lack of information, and underrepresentation can make study abroad feel out of reach. So in this video, we're unlocking the best study abroad scholarships for Black students, plus how to apply, how to stand out, and how to turn this dream into your reality. Stay with us because global opportunity starts right here. Number 1. Why study abroad? Studying abroad changes your life. It expands your worldview, improves your career chances, and sets you apart in a competitive job market. But for Black students, it also means owning your space globally, defying stereotypes, and showing up in places where your presence matters. Yet despite the benefits, Black students are still underrepresented in study abroad programs. Why? Mainly due to cost, access, and lack of awareness. That's why scholarships are not just help their empowerment. Number 2. What kinds of scholarships are available? There are 4 main types of study abroad scholarships for Black students. Government-funded, like the Gilman Scholarship and Fulbright program, which support U.S. citizens studying in dozens of countries. University-sponsored, many colleges have dedicated study abroad offices with scholarships just for underrepresented students. Private organizations and nonprofits like Diverse International Women of Color fund for education abroad, and IES Abroad's need-based grants. Identity-specific programs, scholarships created for Black students by people who understand your journey. These include funding for short-term study, full degree programs abroad, internships, and research experiences. Number 3. Top scholarships. For Black students studying abroad, here are some of the best scholarships Black students should apply for. The Fund for Education Abroad via Rainbow Scholarship, who it's for LGBTQ+ students of color studying abroad, covers up to $10,000 for a semester. Apply by January each year. Diverse International Women of Color Scholarship, who it's for Black and brown women pursuing short-term or long-term study abroad. Amount $500 to $1,000. Apply by. Deadlines vary. Check site. Benjamin A. Gilman International Scholarship, who it's for Pell Grant recipients. Destinations 140 countries, up to $5,000. Plus an extra $3,000 for critical language study. Fall spring deadlines available. Freeman A. SIA Scholarship for Asian destinations, who it's for U.S. undergrads with financial needs studying in East, Southeast Asia, up to $7,000. Spring and fall cycles. IES Abroad Frederick Douglass Global Fellowship, who it's for first-year or sophomore Black students with leadership potential, covers all expenses for a 4-week summer program in Ireland. Apply by early February. Number 4. How to stand out when applying. Want to win? Here's how to stand out in a sea of applications. Tell your story powerfully. Your lived experience matters. Don't downplay the obstacles you've overcome or how you plan to impact your community. Connect it to your future. How will this experience shape your career, your goals, or your community? Be specific. Get strong letters of recommendation. Ask mentors who've seen your growth firsthand, not just people with big titles. Start early. Give yourself time to revise essays and gather documents. Some scholarships have early deadlines. Don't wait till the last minute. Apply for multiple. Don't just apply for one scholarship and hope. Apply for 5, 10, even 15. It increases your chances and builds your confidence. Number 5. Bonus resources you need. Want to go even further? Here are some resources just for you. StudyAbroadFunding.org, searchable database of scholarships by destination Black and abroad, not just for travelers. They highlight scholarships to go abroad.com, great for comparing programs and funding. Instagram pages. Follow at Black Girls Travel 2, at Diverse International Women, and at Study Abroad 101 for tips, deadlines, and community. You can also check with your university's international office or multicultural center. They often have unadvertised grants waiting to be claimed. The world is yours to explore. You don't need to be rich, lucky, or perfect. You just need to be prepared, persistent, and unapologetically you. So whether you dream of studying fashion in Milan, engineering in Berlin, or public health in South Africa, there's a scholarship out there with your name on it. Like this video if you learned something new. Share it with a friend who needs this. And comment below, where do you want to study abroad? Subscribe for more guides like this, and don't forget to check the description for all the links, deadlines, and a free PDF guide with scholarships for Black students.